Hello everyone, my name is Swarnadeep and I am Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator 2024. Welcome to Swarnadeep Web Lab. Today, as most of you have already registered in the event, so maybe like most of the students who have registered yesterday will be getting the confirmation mail within today. So let's once go to Gmail. Okay. Okay, now you can see like yesterday around 23 hours ago I filled up the form. So okay, like within 16 to 17 hours I already got the facilities email. So yeah, you will be getting an email with congratulations, you are enrolled in the program Google Cloud Arcade Facilitators. You can also post this on LinkedIn. It would be like good that you're participating and you're showcasing that in LinkedIn. That would be a plus. Okay. So now you can see the instruction. So, hi Swarnadeep, thank you for much, very much. We're excited to join you and all this and all. Okay, okay. So there are few things to consider in this case. First of all, do all the things in an incognito tab. Make sure you do in incognito tab. This is very, very, very important. Okay, do a thing. Just it as it is. I already mentioned that open in an incognito tab. It is written here first. Then go to this website, put this unique key and do the labs and do everything. You will be getting points and credits. Okay, so now let's once copy it up, copy and open this in incognito tab. Okay, do one thing, paste the code that you copied, click on I am not a robot, just solve the captcha. Okay, I don't know where it is coming. Okay, click on submit. Okay, now do your thing. As you can see, sign in into Google Cloud Skill Boost account. Okay, let's click on sign in. Since it is an incognito tab, you won't be click on sign in with Google. Put up your credentials. Like just copy it from here. You will be getting SSD for cloud at the gmail.com. This is my password. Okay, so all set. All set. You can see you have 9 credits here. It was 0 credits if you see the last video, but in this you can see it is already 9 credits and it is also showing that you will be having 9 credits. Okay, so now it is showing to use the tool of Google Clouds and Sun Lab. Okay, just do a thing, click on this, click on start lab. Okay, uh, copy this password, open it in a new tab, open it in a new tab, click on next, copy the password. Okay, don't confuse this with your own Gmail ID. Use this credential which is already mentioned over here, that username and the password you should be doing with this, not your personal credential. It won't be working then in that case. Okay, I understand. Okay, these are all the things we can do it up. No big deal that. It would be asking this builds a temporary environment in the Google Cloud. Start, submit. You can see when the timer reaches 00 Windows this is temporary. It is true. Some lab have traffic jets. This is true. In order to receive completion, yes. Okay. This. What found is not like system admin. This is not found. The username in the left hand, which is simple, is a cloud IAM identity. That is true. Project in cloud console. These all are the basics. You can check it out for sure. Okay. Okay. An organization entity which username cloud project. True. That's it. You can see all these basic things like it's very easy. It's very okay. So now you need to do stuff. Okay. I will be splitting the screen up for your easiness. First, agree this, except for sure. Sign in, make sure you sign in using the credentials here. Now you can go on navigation bar, then go for IAM. It's IAM, and then look for IAM again. You can see all the things over here. You can see all the usernames, all the user IDs. Okay, now let's just move for this. This is one of the most important. Click here again and look for API and services. Then look for library. Uh, Search here dialog. Okay, click on this. Click on enable. Okay, you can see this has been already enabled. Click on check the progress. You can see it's 0 out of 100. Also, like it will be updated automatically, but you could also like click on manually, click on check progress. You can see 100 out of 100. Okay, well and good. Congratulations, you have completed your lab. But there is a catch. But there is a catch. But the catch is actually you can see it is mentioned spend at least 6 minutes to get a score of 100 in the lab. You must spend at least 6 minutes. It is not 6 minutes. Actually, we have spent near about 4.5 minutes. So, like we will be waiting for a one one 1.5 to 2 minutes in the lab. So you can see like we have nearly completed 6 minutes, but it will be waiting more for like 20 to 25 seconds. Like, so keep calm because it sometimes happens that it does not take 20. So like just wait for 20 to 25 seconds. Okay. Now let's click on End Lab. Click on End Lab. According to instruction, we have done everything. Now let's check out. Go to here once. Let's see. So you can see like also I'm getting points over here for this. See, it take few seconds or few minutes. You can see it's 23 July. This time is according to the US, so it's actually 11 a.m. It is showing 1 quarter of the subscription, and it is expanding on 21st September. Your arcade will be like ending on 22nd September, so that won't be an issue. You are getting monthly subscription. Okay, so thank you very much for like watching the video. Once you have get out of this, you can also check your account manually. You can click on over here. You can just check it once for verification. You just need to click on sign in. You can see you have got the monthly subscription. You can check it over here. And cloud for SSP, you have got the subscription. It is showing 1 month, but it would be like two into 1 month. So it would be from 23 July to 23 September. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for watching this video.